Arroz con leche de coco or rice with coconut milk. And this one, I'm going to take it to the magical stages and I'm going to show you how to do that. And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. I have a cup of rice, 1 1/4 cup of coconut milk. And we're talking about leche de coco. And then I have a 1/4 of a cup of coconut water, like this one. Because you have a little bit of sugar, on it and want to sweeten it a little bit. And you're going to need a little bit of oil. One thing I want to make clear, if you were to cook 2 cups of rice, then it becomes 2 cups of coconut milk and a 1/4. So you're always going to add that extra 1/4. And this one remains 1/4. In addition to all this, I'm going to have a couple optional ingredients which I'm going to introduce as I cook, and you will see them, but you don't need them. And if you cannot find the 1/4 of the coconut water, you can use some regular water, or you can increase this to another 1/4. So you're going to get a pot. Have you heat a high or medium high? It's up to you. First thing you're going to do, you're going to add the coconut milk, your coconut water, you're going to put a couple drops of oil, and I mean a couple drops, just a little bit. Let's mix things up a little bit. You're going to add your rice. And now come the optional ingredients. Little bit of sugar if you want to. This is optional. If you wanted to make it a little bit sweet. You can put some salt too, by the way. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to get some saffron. This is optional. I got some in the house. And what you do with this saffron, a few strings, not a lot, just a handful of strings. You add them there. You can order saffron. I'm going to put in my description. And you can actually go to a supermarket and buy one of the low-cost ones. I order mine. This one is from Spain, and I order here in the United States. Once again, I'm going to put the link in the description. When the rice starts simmering, what you're going to do is you're going to reduce the heat to medium. And you're going to cover it, and you're going to let it cook for now until I show you what is the next step. Once the water starts reducing or evaporating, you start moving it, stirring it. Reduce the heat a little bit more to a couple notches above low. So stir it. Continue cooking. After a few minutes, cover again. Another quick stir. You don't want it grainy, you want it to cook. And then what you're going to do, It's already, as you can see, almost done, but not quite. What you're going to do, you're going to add another quarter of the coconut milk. Just a quarter. Pour it again. And although you can eat the rice alone, one thing I like to do, I like to eat my rice with some sort of fish stew. And here I have my bacalao guisao, which is cod stew, C-O-D, cod stew. And I have a recipe in my description, a link that shows you how to prepare this delicious cod stew using 100% natural ingredients. But this is perfect pairing for the arroz con leche de coco, or rice with coconut milk. Look how beautiful it's turning, huh? Then several minutes later, another stir. Give it a quick taste. It's not too crunchy, it's not crunchy, so you know it's cooked. Turn the heat off. Let's see for about 5 minutes. See how beautiful. Arroz con leche de coco. Nice, huh? See how nice? Now, it's not going to be as grainy as when you cook it with water, because milk is a little bit thicker, the coconut milk, but still delicious. See?